Hey everyone, welcome back to Rafi Gadget Reviews. Today, I have got something that's not just a dashcam, it's a serious upgrade to your driving experience. Meet the Redtiger F77, the world's first dual 4K dashcam. Yep, you heard that right, 4K font and 4K rear simultaneously. Let's dive into what makes this the most advanced dashcam I have ever tested so far. Out of the box, you are getting everything you need. You get extra adhesives to mount the cams, extra mounting brackets, a USB-C to USB-A cable, a USB-C to USB-C cable to connect the rear camera. And of course, you get the front and rear dash cams themselves, and they both feel super solid and well built. The Redtiger app is super intuitive, from adjusting settings, accessing footage, downloading clips, or even tracking your real-time driving route. The app nails the user experience. Installation was a breeze, especially with the included adhesives and brackets. And once you are set up, it's literally plug and play. The UI on the camera and on the app both make setup, firmware updates and daily usage really smooth. Let's start with the core feature, the dual 4K 30 FPS recording, front and back. Now, most dashcams either compromise on the rear quality or drop to 1080p when dual recording is on. But not the F77. It's powered by the StarViz 2 IMX678 image sensor. Yes, both rear and front. So, you are getting stunning clarity from every angle, day or night. And I'm not exaggerating, this thing captures license plate, road signs and tiny roadside details with precision. You won't miss a thing. Speaking of the day or night, let's talk about night vision. I usually don't expect much from dashcams in low light conditions, but the F77 genuinely impressed me. With 7-layer glass lenses and 1.8 wide aperture and the powerful HDR or WDR combination, night driving feels just as clear as the day. What's really working behind the scenes? Here is the StarViz 2 Starlight Night Vision. It's not just hype, the noise suppression and brightness balance give you a clean, detailed image without those overexposed headlights and washed out road signs. Now, here is something that changes the game entirely. No SD card required. The F77 comes with built-in 128GB eMMC storage that gives you up to 5 hours of loop recording. And get this, it's 400% faster than your standard microSD card in read and write speeds. Controlling the F77 is smooth and intuitive. First up, it has a voice control and it works great. With 12 built-in commands, you can lock a video, show the rear cam, turn off the screen, take a photo or even enable audio, all hands-free. That's super important when you are behind the wheel and don't want to mess with the buttons. On top of that, it has a 4-inch touchscreen that's bright, responsive and very easy to use. One of the things I always check on dashcam is how fast the app connection is. Most models out there still use 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, which is slow. The F77, on the other hand, uses 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, and that makes a huge difference. The Redtiger app lets you view, download and share footage wirelessly in seconds. It also syncs GPS data, so you get speed and location details right on your videos. If you ever need to share a clip as evidence, everything is right there. Timestamp, speed, location, all synced and accurate. Now for 24/7 protection, the F77 also includes a solid parking mode, 2 options. In fact, the G-sensor parking mode activates the cam if there's a collision or sudden movement while your car is parked. Perfect for hit and run or door ding situations. Then there's the time-lapse parking mode, which gives you a continuous but condensed view of what happened around your car during long parking periods. This feature requires a separate handwriting kit. But once installed, in real driving tests, the dual 4K footage didn't shutter once, even on bumpy roads or during fast highway driving. The stabilization and clarity held up. Night footage was equally impressive, clean, balanced and free from blinding glare. Another plus, 18 months of warranty and responsive customer support. I had a couple of questions and reached out via mail and got replies in under 24 hours. It's small things like this that really build confidence in the brand. So, to sum it all up, should you get the Redtiger F77? Absolutely! This isn't just another dashcam, it's a flagship level upgrade to anyone who takes driving safety seriously. Under the unmatched 4K dual recording, night vision clarity, built-in storage and smart voice control to the super smooth Wi-Fi and GPS integration, this is one of the most complete dashcam packages out there right now. Alright folks, that wraps up today's review. If you are planning to upgrade your dashcam, I will leave the product link in the description below. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss out on future reviews. This is Rafi Gadget Reviews and I will catch you in the next one. Bye bye.